Copying on the Xerox 7500 is as easy as choosing copy, choosing our color. Auto detect is on by default, but we can choose black and white. Determining our paper supply, auto select is set by default, but we can manually choose one of the 3 other paper trays it shows, or choose more so that you can see all your paper trays. Our two-sided copying options, we have 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 2-to-2, and 2-to-1. 1-to-2 will allow you to copy in 2 one-sided documents and receive one two-sided document. 2-to-2 is a two-sided, and 2-to-1 takes a two-sided document and prints out 2 one-sided documents, your front and your back. If your machine has a finisher, you can also choose our copy output options, where we can choose 1 staple portrait, 1 staple landscape, or choose more for more options. Our image quality option tab allows us to change our original type, so we can choose photo, text, photo, map, magazine, and how we want it to be, how the original was produced as well. So if it's a solid ink original, it might have a little bit of a gloss. So pressing that will kind of dull out a little bit of the gloss and keep any shininess from changing your document. We also have image options as well. For lightening and darkening, we can press and slide up and down to change our light and darken options, as well as our sharpness, and if you've chose color, color saturation. Image enhancements, we have an auto suppression background if you're using like a blue, pink, yellow, green stock as your original, as well as we can manually configure our contrast options or choose an auto contrast. When color is chosen, we can choose our color presets or color balance to manually adjust your color that way. Layout adjustments, we can choose our original orientation, upright, sideways, portrait, or landscape original, as well as our original sizes. So we can choose our mixed size originals or preset scan areas. The 7500 allows for book copying. When you choose book copying, it's going to ask you, do you want to do both pages, left page only, or right page only? We can also use image shift, so we can say maybe auto center that document. So if your original document's a little to the left, a little to the right on the margin, we can say auto center and it will automatically center. We can also choose a manual margin shift. If maybe you're copying a document and you're going to eventually hole punch it, you might want to shift it ½ inch to the right. Gives you plenty of space to hole punch that document later and not have to worry about removing any words or letters from your document from the hole punch. Edge erase on the 7500 is also very easy as well. We can choose an all edge erase and change our size for all edges, or we can choose individual. If we go over ½ inch from the left hand side, we can remove any hole punches that were in the original document while we copy, as well as come up from the bottom about 1 inch. We can get rid of URLs from emails or anything we printed off the internet, and from the top we can come down, remove any header information from a fax. And we have invert image. We have 2 invert image options. One is normal and mirror, make all your letters backwards, as well as negative, white is black and black is white. We also have output format for, let's say, Booklet Creator. When we say Booklet Creation on, if we put in 4 original one-sided documents into our document tray, or document feeder, excuse me, what will happen is it will come out, page 1 will be on the front side, page 2 will be on the inside, page 3 will be on the inside, page 4 is on the back side. When you fold it, it will make a perfect booklet for you. So all you have to do is fold it. We also have annotations, where we can add page numbers, so choose page on, and starting page number 1 or whatever you want can be changed, and then we can say all pages except first or all pages. Then we can also change the position of that number. Bottom right hand corner, top left hand corner, top right hand corner. As well as we can add our own comments. We can actually store. So if you have your company name, just type in your company name, hit save. Now we can put that company name anywhere we want on this document. And again, applies to all pages except first or first page only. We can also add our date. And again, anywhere on that document we want to put it. We can also do a bait stamp. So again, we can add more information right in here to add to this document. We also have page layout options. So we can add multiples to the same document. Maybe you have a picture you want to put out, but you want it to be wallet sized. This is exactly how you would do it. And that is copying on the Xerox 7500.